So there's a question from an attendee. How can I balance chakras and protect myself from psychic attacks?
Psychic attack. Rumi, if you had to answer this question, what would you answer? Tell me.
It is through the samadhi meditation process. So when your chakras are aligned and balanced, and when you connect using the technique of meditation that we teach, then you can send light to yourself and you can remove it. Ultimately, it also requires the energy of forgiveness. So when you
See,
pray,
Rumi, you are right. Energy of forgiveness. तो हिंदी में मैं ट्रांसलेट करो कि साइकिक अटैक और साइको आपको वही सज्जन या संजन, anybody who can send you psychic attack or psycho, if you receive it. If you don't receive it, how can they send you psychic and psychic attack? Yes or no?
yes,
Yes, Rumi, you understand or not?
yes, sir.
So, if somebody is abusing you means verbal abuse, sometimes.
Yes, sir.
So how will you feel if somebody is abusing you verbally about your mother, father? How will you feel? This is the answer. Huh? This is the only answer I'm going to give. How will you feel, Rumi?
I'll feel bad.
So, Rumi, if you feel bad, you are taking that psychic attack because you are feeling it is their issue, and they have some issue. The people who are shouting at you and abusing you, and because you also have, Rumi, that, and you are receiving it. Are you with me?
Yes.
So that psychic attack is already inside you because of jealousy, greed, and whatnot, other attributes. Sexual misconduct you might have, not you, I'm talking about, just people might have done, and many other issues. If
Yes.
somebody is giving you something, the choice is with you. So, Rumi, I'm giving you 1,000 dirhams. Like it's an envelope. Rumi, take this. You can always say, no, sir, thank you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I'm giving you something. The choice to take is yours.
Yes.
Right? So if I give you 1,000 dirhams or 10,000 dirhams, how can you take that, Rumi, if it is not yours? Yes or no?
Yes,
No,
sir.
I'm your teacher. Let's say I'm not your, somebody else who is not your teacher. Okay, gives you 10,000 dirhams. Is that 10,000 dirhams yours?
No.
Right? But if you are greedy, you will take that. Yes, Rumi?
Yes, sir.
So that greed is inside you. That is why I'm going to take 10,000 dirhams from a stranger. Then he is going to use you for that. Of course, when a teacher is giving, you can politely say no, but if the teacher is insisting, you can take because it's like a blessing. It's not only about money, or it could be about something, any gift and all. Okay, normally, from a mindful teacher, you should not refuse the gift. It's like a blessing. But from a stranger, so similarly, somebody is giving abuse, somebody is sending you psychic attack and psychic hoax, you are receiving it because it is already inside you.
Yes.
Are you understanding? Now, how to remove it? You cannot remove it because you already have a lot of shit inside you. You cannot remove it. You can only remove it when you clean your shit. That means clean every cell of your body. Somebody was asking me today that the question was, have you ever, what is the experience about Kundalini? Okay, this was the question. Now, what is this Kundalini? Romi, can you tell? Let us assume that you are that person who is asking me a question. What is this? I'm asking a counter question. Rumi, what is Kundalini? Come on, fast.
The soul power in energy of the spirit that rises upwards along the spinal cord.
Okay, it's a good answer. Would you like to elaborate? What is the classical concept of Kundalini?
That it is an awakening. Yes, sir.
The whole concept of Kundalini is a fraud on humanity. I might also teach Kundalini. I'm going to tell you what exactly Kundalini is. There are 2.5 times coil, then it is going to come with a hissing sound. Where have you heard the hissing sound? There are teachers who initiate people with their vibrational frequency by putting on their third eye, not exactly third eye, at the forehead. And you might see the student vibrating. See, simple. The Kundalini activation is that your soul, which is embedded on your chakras in the spinal cord, awakens. Are you with me?
Yes.
So, Rumi, how will your soul awaken? अब बता तेरी आत्मा जो सो रही है. So Rumi's soul is not, listeners, completely half sleeping. Maybe 75% it is awakened, 25% Rumi, which is a very big achievement. Do you know this, Rumi?
Yes.
It's a very big achievement. Don't think that people are listening. It is a very big achievement. How it is a big achievement? Because about 7 billion people, soul is sleeping and it will die sleeping only. Are you with me?
Yes.
So it's a big achievement. Don't take it otherwise the teacher is saying publicly. Right? So it's a great achievement that your soul has awakened 75%. So what did I say? The 7 billion people will die with their soul sleeping only. Okay?
Yes.
So what is Kundalini activation is that your soul has awakened. Now, Rumi, why did I say that you are a great yogi whose soul has awakened 75%? Why it does not awaken 100%? So through you, I'm going to explain everybody. So Rumi, why it has not awakened 100%? If you don't know the answer, says no, sir, I don't know. I'll go and teach you fast through you. Everybody. Yeah. Bole.
Sir, I don't know.
So it is because, Rumi, you have trillions of cells. Okay, you have a petite body, that means you're small in size, and so you may have about 30 trillion cells. Okay, Rumi?
Yes, sir.
So 30 trillion cells may have worked on 20 trillion cells. That is why it's 70. So it's a great feat that you have done. You have worked on your cells, right?
Yes.
So the Kundalini cannot be awakened. That is why there is no teacher who could have taught this world. The Kundalini cannot be awakened. That your soul cannot be awakened. The Kundalini, don't go into that concept of the Indian philosophy, Sanskrit and all. That is all sham. Okay, please forgive me because I'm also a Hindu Brahmin. What I mean to say is that Kundalini awakening is your soul awakening. कि तुम्हारी आत्मा जागृत होगी. आत्मा, the soul cannot be awakened if your body, which has trillions of cells, and every cell is having in mitochondria ATP energy, which the scientists say that when people die, the mitochondria gets shutting down, the ATP energy leaves the body. That is the prana energy of the body. So it means that when the soul leaves, within 1 to 2 hours, the prana energy leaves. Before the prana energy leaves, a great master can, like Jesus Christ or Yukteswar Giri or Mahavatar Babaji, Shri Krishna or Shri Ram or Guru Nanak or Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, or Jesus Christ, could bring the soul back into the body, but before the prana energy goes, right? So what I'm saying is that unless and until your whole body is awakened, Rumi, samajh rahe hain? By this meditation technique, then only your soul will be awakened. It is a continuous process. So that means your Rumi's body is 20 trillion cells have awakened. So Rumi's 75% soul is awakened. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
The moment Rumi's 30 trillion cells are going to awaken, Rumi's soul is going to awaken. It is take the driver's seat in Rumi's life. Rumi doesn't require any teacher, any master, anybody once that happens. Okay. So that is called Kundalini activations. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So you have to keep on working on your body. Now, this person's questions, and many people, psycho and psych attack, if your body you have worked on your cells, because the psychic will not come on your soul, the psychic will come on your body. Okay. If your body is awakened, how can the psychic and psych attack come? Okay. So when you energize your complete 100% body, all the cells are activated, the soul can attain moksha that time. Right?
Yes.
Anything you have not understood, Rumi, because I took it personally with you, so you can ask me the question through the lady's question also, many people's question, or your question also. Yes, Rumi.
Sir, I understood clearly what you were explaining. For benefit of others, if you could say, elaborate on how exactly the cells can be worked upon.
So
Like,
when we do, for example, samadhi meditation, with practice, we'll go into the state of nothingness, where you will not remember who you are. Nothingness, you don't remember. When you keep on practicing, a stage will come when you will remember that you did not remember anything. It will come with practice. Then who is divine consciousness? You are divine consciousness. And then, so before you go into samadhi meditation, you have to make an intention. That's supreme pure conscious, Allah conscious, that I send your divine light to every cell of my physical body. So when in samadhi meditation, samadhi, you are not remember anything. But while you are coming from the state of samadhi, state of nothingness, you will come to the state where your brain frequency will start opening, delta state, 4 cycles, 0.5 to 4 cycles per second, or maybe theta state, 4, 5 cycles, 6 cycles per second, where you can make the prayer that to see every cell of your body having the divine light, and you're going to change the energy in the morphogenetic field in the DNA of sadness, guilt, shame, sabotage, sacrifice, sexual misconduct, lies, all the things, and also change the energy of the mitochondria, energize the mitochondria, which is the battery of the cell, which everybody knows and some do not know. We have told them. They can go do the recap tomorrow, and we energize all our cells. It's a continuous process. And then from the cells, all the dirty, difficult information will be removed and sent to the divine consciousness light, and new information can be downloaded. So it's a continuous process. You have to do it for a couple of months at least, maybe a year or two would be very beneficial, and then continue with this practice. This will get you love, laughter, happiness, ecstasy. You'll be always joyous in your life, feeling wonderful. Okay, so it's a continuous process. You have trillions cells. It might take you time on earth, couple of months, if you regularly practice for 8 hours. But this is the process, this is the way I did. And your soul is liberated. It knows its job. It knows what it has to do. It can prepone many of its karma, difficult also, and face them and resolve them and move on. Yes, Swami.
yes, sir. Next question related to energy break. So Anna has asked whether for children also we need to do the same, like as you were saying, 2 times a day. And another person asked,
Anna, you should not ask me this. Is the Anna, one Anna I know is my student, from Austria, or of
yeah,
this Anna who comes to Hungary also for taking the course. One is from France. If she is
Anna,
a student, then she should be, and if she's taking the teacher's course, she should know the answer. See, if the children are small, because you have, as adults, we have a lot of programs and issues which have been energized, negative and positive. So children, you have to see, as per the weather, you don't have to, you have to see that you manage a sponge bath to the children. You have to take care of this small children in a very good way. Okay, do not expose them unnecessarily to, because of your karmic issues, to the environment. Okay, the child is a divine with less beliefs and memories, but yes, do not take to those places of grief or sadness. Okay, support them, be kind to them, and you can always do a, if you have, they have to do the energy. Of course, all children, they take bath daily, so they do take bath properly in lukewarm water, depending upon the weather. And you can put some wonderful herbs also, and also you can do a sponge bath for them. Okay, so that they're not exposed to excess heat or cold. Yeah, but energy management is energy management. Huh? Today in coronavirus happening, you're not doing energy, you're not asking anybody. Huh? You're not letting your mother meet your infant child, because you know that the infant child could be exposed to more danger of the environment. So you don't need answer there. So why do you need the answer over here? Take care of your children in a good way. So if you do not expose yourself to environment which has virus, your children do not need to. And if you do, so does your children. So it remains same for you and for your children. So take care of your children as divine energy. Thank you.
But also regarding karma varganas, somebody asked if the job and career requires them to work with people who drink and smoke, then how can the energy be maintained?
So they should pray, 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 and change their job.
And
Do not
sir,
worry that somebody else is going to do that. Yeah.
sir, there is somebody who has asked about adopting a child. So now that person is concerned due to energy management. He's married, but they are planning to adopt a child. So what is your advice?
So yeah, they can always adopt a child. Child is energy of divinity, no doubt about it. All children of any religion, any color. Okay, so they're going to, if they change, the people who are adopting, they give them a good environment, they're going to have divinity in their home. They can also personally write to me. I respect those people who adopt children, and how to raise a child in a good way. I can support them, help them, teach them. Right, so they can go ahead. There is no issue about that. Please, yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir. There is Parisa who has asked, she's have been experiencing issues in her life, pain, allergy, everything, same way her mother experienced. So where should she start with healing for herself?
Has she trained with us?
So she has done the, yes, festival in Dubai.
So now what she should do, she can always take guidance from all of you in Dubai online if she's not able to meet physically, till they are able to come to the center at Sukain, which we have built a new center. And she can come and be a practitioner at the center also, and take sessions at the center also, and at her home also, or at wherever she is more comfortable. Better is it she comes to the center or has a center of her own. So she does not bring the energy of people who have issues to her home. Right?
Yes, sir. Sir, there is a question about there's person who's saying my grandmother is 105 years old and has been confined, and she has become physically more weak during these days. Is there a way this person can manage my energy from a distance to help hers to be stronger again?
Now, who wants help? This girl wants help, or for the mother who's 105? If you ask me, the lady who is 105 should help this person who has asked the question. Okay, so maybe we can learn from the grandchild also, Call this grandchild sometimes, whose grandmother is 105. Let's give a clap for her. God bless her. Okay, yes. So this lady, has she learned this technique from us, Rumi?
Sir, it is anonymous attendee, so I don't know.
Okay, there is true probability. If she has learned, she should know it. If she has not learned, she should come and learn. Simple, right?
Yes. Yes. Khalid has told that his wife does not have any energy and is very depressed because of the current situation of COVID-19. How can I help her, and what can I do for her?
Khalid, what you can do is you do samadhi meditation, give the intention that you are getting the universal divine energy, not anybody's energy, divine energy. Okay, now you can imagine that it comes from everywhere it is. But for example, you are imagining that it's coming from the cosmos. So that is a brain, मतलब दिमाग को दिलासा देने वाली बात है. How do you translate into English, Rumi?
To convince your brain.
Yeah. So because the brain is what stops. So you just imagine that it's coming from cosmos because we believe God lives somewhere up, Okay, but although it is everywhere, it is in you, it is you, what we find in Samadhi. But just imagine and that you're drawing this energy and you're drawing, just imagine there is a ball just before your solar plexus, okay? And that imagine that ball is growing bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger with the divine energy, bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. And it takes over your whole physical body, bigger and bigger, bigger, your home, everywhere, this universe, and do this ball. Just see the ball. You can place the ball in, imagine, in your both hands also, correct? Like one hand is here and another hand. Okay? Rumi, yes. Do you understand? You have to say yes.
Yes, sir.
If you don't understand, say no, I don't understand. Because if you not understand, the other person will also not. One hand is here, and since I'm holding the and you'll imagine the ball of light is increasing, increasing, becoming big. Place both your hands and start imagining this energy you're drawing from the cosmos above. And it's becoming bigger and bigger, bigger. Both hands are bigger. And imagine this energy is taking over your physical body, your home, your city, this world, this universe. Okay, and then give a thought of that energy to he has to give to his wife. And she has to take permission from her. You understand that the divine energy. If she says yes, he can give it. If she says no, then he has to talk to her spirit or soul that she requires it and send it. And he should see that it goes to all her 8 chakras plus the feet chakra. Okay? From the feet till the 8th chakra. And he has to see that energy actually goes and expands into her. And he can do it having her before him. सामने रख के भी वो कर सकता है. He can keep it, the exercise. Okay? And you should regularly do samadhi meditation and forgiveness. Have you done forgiveness meditation till now?
Sir, you had guided on one of the days.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So we'll do it more one of these days. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is a question from Catherine of how long the DNA of a partner can remain in our cells after sexual relation.
No, they say about 7 years normally. Scientists, they must have researched about 7 years. It is there, but residue can be more also. Yeah. And they can remove it through this samadhi meditation. Those memories. मतलब एक तरह से क्या रूमी ट्रांसलेट करना मतलब रगड़ के तू कपड़े धोएगी जो गंदे हैं तो रूमी उसमें दाग लगा है तो क्या होगा? 2 चीजें होंगी. अगर दाग जाता है या नहीं जाता है तो दाग नहीं जाएगा तो कपड़ा तो फट ही जाएगा ना रूमी, अगर रगड़ते रहेगी. समझ में आ रही मेरी बात?
यस.
तो ट्रांसलेट करना है इसको. और फिर क्या है कि दाग नहीं रहने देना, बेशक कपड़ा फट जाए. ठीक है, कंसेप्ट ये समझाना है. रूमी, यू आर गोइंग टू टेल देम व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू इन हिंदी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इफ आई फाइंड दैट यू आर लैकिंग समवेयर. डोंट वरी. एंड फिर वो कपड़ा फट गया, रूमी तो गई कपड़ा फट गया तो बहन पूरा शरीर है ना तेरा, कपड़ा है. अगर तेरा कपड़ा रूमी गंदा है, ध्यान से सुनना मेरे, और तेरे पास एक ही कपड़ा है. रूमी सुन रही है? हाँ या ना बोल. बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बोल रहा हूँ, बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बोल रहा हूँ. बड़े चलो मैं ठीक है, कुछ नए लोग भी हैं, बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बोल रहा हूँ. तेरे पास एक कपड़ा है रूमी, गंदा है. ठीक है रूमी
जी.
अब तू दाग को हटा रहे, उस दाग में क्या कपड़े का एक हिस्सा फट जाता है
जी.
और दाग हट गया. कोई कपड़ा फट गया तो दाग हट गया. जी. रूमी, अब तेरा जो कपड़ा पहन रही है वो थोड़ा सा फटा हुआ है, अच्छा नहीं है. तेरे को लोग फटे हुए ड्रेस में देखेंगे. इज इट बेटर टू वेयर द ड्रेस और हैव द शिट with you always in your life? Tell me.
Better
think.
to wear.
Use your logical brain.
Yes, sir. Better to wear the clean one, which is a bit torn also, it's fine.
Yeah, you understand? Samira Rumi, you can always say there are a lot of people who can send message, my students who have learned technique. Without learning technique, questions sometimes are illogical. Yes. So the question was that how to remove the sexual misconduct that she has done. Because if she is not happy with that partner, it's a sexual misconduct. Otherwise, she should have been with that partner. Simple. Are you understanding, Rumi?
Yes.
That means anybody, including me. Suppose you have a physical relation and there is a divorce in the relation, that is a sexual misconduct. Yes. So all the sages, if they have done that, they have to accept that it was a sexual misconduct because they thought it is a sexual conduct, but ultimately it proved to be a misconduct because there was no relationship in the partnership. So we have to remove that, whether you like it or not. So she has to. So I'll okay, Rumi, I'll give you the point since I've said. So now, okay, I'll do it. So what I was telling you in Hindi was that you have to work on your physical body in the morphogenic field in the DNA in such a way that you are actually taking the brush and cleaning it. And it might happen that cell might break. Don't worry. Or your dress, which is having that may be torn. It is better to wear a tone dress rather than having a dress filled with shit. Similarly, when you're working on yourselves, you have to literally beg mercy from the divine conscience that you have to clean. Daily you have to do the meditation and it will go, it will go, it will go. I'm telling you, it will go. You'll feel good. You'll feel that you are divine. I'm telling you. समझ में आ रही है रूमी मेरी बात?
Yes, sir.
Haven't been able to explain what I said in Hindi, or you want to add something more?
No, sir. It is clear. It's understood.
Yeah, so she'll be able to remove that misconduct which she created. Okay, simple. She'll be. It just has to be hot yogi. Like, no, मैं तो करके ही रहूंगी. I'm going to do. I'm not going to leave that cell, which with that crap inside. I'm going to clean that. You'll come to know, sister. When you keep on doing the meditation, you come to know which part of the body it is going to come out and clean that. You're new. Like a sister, if you die and you're reborn, you're new. If you did any misconduct or somebody did misconduct with you, you're new. Or if you have done, okay, you say, I don't believe in past life. For example, suppose you had a past life and you did a misconduct in the previous life. Do you remember that? You do not. No, you don't believe in past life. Fantastic. But your grandmother did. She was molested. God bless her. Never. God bless her. But then you carry her genes. But you do not remember. You did not do it physically, but yet it is inside you. So when you remove that, you also help your grandmother, your ancestors, minimum 7 generations to ascend. Yeah.
Sir, somebody has asked, the person is working in hospitality industry where they are part of gatherings where there is drinking. So what to do in such cases?
What to do? I stay in hotels, 5-star hotels, 6 to 8 months a year. What to do? Everybody drinks, right? So where's the problem? If I'm in executive lounge of a hotel, then everybody drinks. I'm in a plane, there is everybody drinks, right? So what? Don't make your electromagnetic field very strong. Do not let it affect you. Maintain social, don't shake hands. Just do namaste. You understand? Now everybody, Prince Charles doing namaste, Donald Trump doing namaste, everybody doing namaste. Okay? Do namaste. Now it is the latest fad, passion. Namaste, namaste, namaste. Are you with me, Rumi?
Yes, sir.
Do namaste. Okay, when she in the hospital industry, namaste, she meets to be the chairman of Timbuktu Industries. They say, namaste, Mr. Chow Chow. I understand you are fine. He says, he raises his hand, she says, namaste is the latest fashion, sir. Right? Are you with me, Rumi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, next time, when you meet somebody who wants to shake hands with you, say namaste. Because you're not insulting him. Right?
Yes.
I'm not insulting. Okay. Do you shake neighbor's hand nowadays, Rumi?
No, sir.
You know, you'll be arrested. Please forgive me, my friends. What is the message? It's not about any joke. Only a divine person can shake hands and not get affected by the virus. Everybody has virus around them and inside. You cannot see the virus. You cannot see COVID 2019. I don't know that you don't want 2020, 2021 to come. It's not about shaking hands or hugging and all. It's about your electromagnetic field being strong. Your can be strong, but somebody's can be weak, and you can take his or her karma varganas. Okay? So that person who's in the hospital industry, Everybody in the hospitality industry is now wearing a mask wherever the hotel is open. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
namaste. Culture from India is now coming. What is the culture, Rumi?
Social distancing.
No, Rumi, namaste.
Namaste. Yeah.
Prince Charles does namaste, Donald Trump does namaste. Whole of Europe does namaste, whole of China does namaste, whole of Japan does namaste, whole of India does namaste. Australia, New Zealand, Canada does namaste. Namaste, namaste, and namaste, and namaste. Okay?
Yes.
And when you do namaste, you are sealing your aura also. Do you know? Like this. Namaste. Imagine there is another hand, you're sealing your aura.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes. And you don't need to touch people's feet. In India, there is a concept of touching people's feet for you should have respect in heart. Okay. So let us do some laughter yoga.
Yes, sir.
So take a long deep breath, close your eyes. I want you to smile, make your cheese go like this up. Think about some wonderful moment in your life. And I think of the most wonderful moment when I met my wife. And I want you to bring those oxytocin. Some of you know oxytocin, some of you don't worry. Just bring those happy moment, any moment. And bring that smile. And start laughing, Rumi. I want you to start laughing. Come, Rumi, show them. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के oh 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 ha 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 oh oh la 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 ha 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 oh 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 ha 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 oh 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 ha 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 I'm a champion, champion, champion. I'm a champion. I am a winner. Come on, Rumi. I am a winner. I am a winner.
I'm a winner.
I'm a winner. When I win, everybody win. When I win, everybody win. Now when everybody win, because I am a champion. I am a champion. I am a champion. I am a champion. Once a champion, always a champion. I am a champion, champion. I am. Ha 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 ha. Oh 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 ha 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 ho ho ha ha la da 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 ha ha la da 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 la da 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 da. Come on, Rumi! Ha 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 ha. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Da 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 da. Oh, oh. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sayonara. See you again. Love you, my friends. Love you. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.